I'm going to share with you the 5 biggest mistakes that new mixer streamers make and how to avoid them so you can grow your mixer stream the right way. Let's dive in. What's going on? It's your boy Santana with Lines Among Sheep, and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your mixer stream, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. The vibe that you give off on stream is the vibe that you're going to transfer to your viewers. So you don't want to have low energy when you're streaming because you want to have your viewers be excited. You want them to be motivated to watch you and you want to entertain them. Imagine if I had low energy doing this video and I'll just be like, well guys, what you have to do. So you want to make sure that you're transcribing high energy because the camera, it's going to lower down your energy. So you want to be upbeat, and that's going to help you retain more viewers and get people to watch you more. So you want to avoid getting impatient during this process. You have to understand that as a new streamer, you have to build up your audience, you have to build up your trust, and you have to build up the skills to be able to get viewers to come into your stream, to retain them and keep them going. So you have to understand that you need to just follow your journey and not looking at somebody else's success. You have to understand that Ninja has been in the game over 12 years, putting in the work with no viewers. At one point, he had 134 subscribers. So you have to understand that there's a process and a journey, and that if this ultimately is your passion, you have to be patient and just put in the work every single day to be able to see what you want out of it. You want to avoid just hitting the go live button without knowing what's working and what's not working. So it's very important that you take the time to watch your own streams, and you don't have to sit there and watch them all the way through, or you may feel uncomfortable watching yourself. But at the end of the day, you have to look at what it is that you're doing. When you got viewership, what were you doing during that stream? Were you quiet? Are you energetic? Are you looking at the things that matter? Because if you're not looking at yourself prior, then you're not knowing what to improve. So you have to spend time after you stream looking at your stream and understanding what worked and what didn't, and analyzing and being real with yourself and really understand, like, did I give it my all? Did I get the energy that I wanted? Was I talking? Was I communicating? Was I entertaining? And you need to check off these boxes and see how you can improve for the next stream. Focusing on the money too early. This is a big mistake for new streamers, that they get into it to make the money. Yes, as a streamer, you want to follow your passion and turn into a career and become sustainable. But you have to understand that first, you have to build your influence. You have to build your audience before you can start making money. So you have to work on building relationships with the people that are coming into your stream and spending time cultivating those relationships, so that way you can grow, and then those people will support you and push you to be able to make money on your stream. By far, one of the biggest mistakes that new mixer streamers make is not utilizing social media to be able to gain exposure for your stream and to be able to get more people to find out about you. Because as a new streamer, when you just hit the go live button, if you don't have no viewership, it's going to be very hard for you to be found in the carousel. So you have to put in the work to be able to get people to come to your stream, and the only way you can do that is by getting active on other platforms that's not Mixer, to be able to bring those people over to your stream so you can start to grow. So if you're new to social media and you want to know how to utilize it to be able to grow your Mixer stream, I suggest you start with Twitter, and you can watch this video right here where I walk you step by step on how to use Twitter to be able to gain more viewers and gain more followers for your Mixer stream. And to learn more about growing your Mixer stream and personal brand, start now by subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I'll see you guys in the next video. You know the motto: hustle, live, repeat.